Hello, welcome back to the Real World Garage. Today, we're here to do another quick tool review. It's like a year and 2 months in. I want to do a quick tool review on the Earthquake XT 12-volt lithium electric ratchet that my son got me for Christmas a little over a year ago. And let's take a look. Okay, Earthquake XT 12-volt lithium electric I keep saying air. It's not air. It's an electric ratchet. Got it Christmas of 2018 and have used it off and on for over a year. So far, I've been well pleased with the little ratchet. Let's open up the case. Take a look inside. It comes with one single battery. And there is an extra place in the box that you can put the a spare battery. Looks like there's a few slots that if you wanted to put a few tools in this box, you could. And in this section is where your battery charger sits. I have it set up on a charge station where I keep all of my electric stuff, all my batteries. I have a charge station set up so that everything is almost always ready to go. Of course, it comes with the instruction manual. Talks about the battery charger, how to charge the battery, and what to do, what not to do. No, this is not the most heavy-duty ratchet available on the market. It is not a snap-on quality tool. I will go on and tell you that right off the bat. But if you're a light home mechanic, it will do the job just fine. I have found that in some instances, I needed to get a longer, heavier-duty regular manually operated ratchet to break a bolt free, just enough to get it to turn, and then I could go ahead and run it out, and certainly speeds up the process of taking stuff apart. And you can see a few scratches on this one where I've used it, and wouldn't say I've used it, but I have used it. It is a tool. One of the little things that I see that is kind of what I would say that makes it not along a professional level is the switch contact right there. The push button in is actually a little plastic pin. So on a rugged use, I could see where that could get broke off pretty easily. The ratchet head itself has worked flawlessly. Had no problems with the forward or reverse switch. It works perfectly. I have a video that I will show you. I used it to run the bolts out of a bell housing on a little Datsun project we're working on, and I needed to separate the engine and transmission. So with that, I'll go ahead and put that in here and let you see the tool actually in use. Let's see, those are going to be 14s. Okay, now that you've seen the tool used, I'll say this, I cannot give you a good determination on battery life. I have not used it to the point that the battery needed to be, had to be recharged, where it was turning slow. I usually keep my batteries topped off at all times because I never know when I'm going to have to work on something. So I just keep my batteries all the way topped up. But I have used it on a few bigger projects and haven't run out of battery yet. It's 12 volt, I think it's 6 amp per hour. out, and I think it tells you in there what it'll do in the instructions under continuous use. But under the real world conditions that I have used it under, I have not found that it's to quit running due to battery yet. So that is a 1 year and 2 month review of my little earthquake electric ratchet from Harbor Freight. And thanks for coming along. Hope that was useful for you, and give you some basic insight as to let you know what it's all about. Take care. Till next time.